I still am shocked that anybody would equate Myetti Allah with Afenifere or Ohaneze or Pandeb. Really. Myetti Allah has presented itself as a terrorist organization. Afenifere is not a terrorist organization. Ohaneze is not a terrorist organization. Pandeb is not a terrorist organization. You shouldn't be equating an organization that has threatened, written letters of threat to governors in this land to say we are coming to kill and maim and destroy your land. I was in the Yoruba delegation to Benue State in January 2018. After a large number of people were killed in Benue State, they had gotten a letter from some section of Myetti Allah saying that you, Mr. Governor of Benue State, because your government made a law to regulate cattle rearing in Benue State, we are coming to wreak vengeance on the people of Benue State. On January 1, they came and they killed large numbers of people and destroyed many villages. Then, on the 5th of January, leaders of the South, Southeast, Southwest, and Middle Belt went to commiserate with the Benue people. And the governor thanked us, and then he said, well, the same people who wrote the letter in December or so have written another letter now that I have received. And he then read the letter to us. The letter said, Mr. Governor, we see that you and your people are doing mass burials and carrying out national mourning, but that what is happening to you, what has happened to you is only a little bit of what is coming to you. That we are coming, and it is going to be bigger and worse this time. And your problem is with us is that your different ethnic groups, the thieves, the this, the that, and so on, regard the land on which they have lived for thousands of years as their land. It is not their land, the letter said. The land belongs to us, Fulani, and we have now a reason to take it. And we are not talking of the peoples of Benue State alone. We are talking of all the peoples of Nigeria. We have accumulated money and weapons for a long, drawn-out war. We have invited Fulani from all the rest of West Africa to come and join us to take our land in Nigeria. And if you think your federal government can defend you, you are kidding. They cannot defend you. He read a letter to us, and we all sat down there wondering whether we were still in Nigeria. It is, people who are doing that. You now equate them to Afenifere or to Ohaneze or to Pandeb? Good goodness. No, I don't think. We have no business sitting with Myetti Allah.